Hello students, a very good morning. And in previous video I have explained some numeral problems of exercise 2.3, which is based on the fraction chapter. And now fraction chapter is over, so we are moving our next chapter. The name of the chapter is rational numbers. So students, in this chapter we have to learn lots of properties, lots of concepts which is related to rational number. So let's start. So chapter name is chapter 3, which name is rational numbers. Students, this chapter is very important for us because this chapter is very useful in other classes also. So watch all the concept carefully, because if you understand this chapter in this class, then it is very it is give the benefit to another class. For this concept you all have to understand. Okay, so first of all I have to explain that what is the rational number. Students, you all know about your chapter 1 is integers. In integers there are lots of number is defined in integer, just like negative numbers, positive numbers including 0. So students, a rational number is also comes from integer, or you have to say that rational number is made from integer or integer. In integer there are three types of number. For example, negative numbers, positive numbers including 0. So rational number is made from integers, or you are also say that every integer is a rational number. So first of all you have to see that how can we represent a rational number. Rational number a number which can be expressed as P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0. So students, this is the definition of rational number, and there are lots of definitions given for rational number, and this one is also from all these definitions, that when a number can be expressed as P upon Q. P upon Q means is just like a fraction, but there is a very more the difference. There is a very difference from rational number and fraction, which I will give the concept that what is the main difference between fraction and rational number. First of all, you have to watch the definition, that a number which can be expressed as P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, Q does not equal 0. Then the number is called rational numbers. Okay, it means P and Q are integers. Integers means all positive numbers, all negative numbers including 0 is called integers. But you have to you have to one condition as given that q does not equal to 0. It means the denominator should not be 0. q 0 के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि q में भी इंटीजर आएगा, तो q में इंटीजर्स आने के कारण आपको सिर्फ निगेटिव नंबर आ सकता है, पॉजिटिव नंबर आ सकता है, लेकिन 0 कभी नहीं आ सकता है। क्योंकि अगर इफ any rational number whose denominator is 0, if any rational number whose the denominator is 0, then the value of this rational number is not defined, okay, or not exist. So students, make sure that q does not equal to 0 and p में भी 0 और नॉट। इट मीन्स p 0 के इक्वल हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है, लेकिन ये ध्यान रखना होगा आपको कि q 0 के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है। अब नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ रेशनल नंबर। व्हाट इज द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ रेशनल नंबर? एग्जांपल्स ऑफ रेशनल नंबर इज 4/5 -3/2 और 2/-7 -3/-8 etc. So students, these are all the examples of rational number, and in these examples some examples are like that just like a fraction, but all the rational number are not a fraction. Some examples you have to say that this is like to be a fraction. So there is a main difference between, what is the main difference between fraction and decimal, which I had to give after this example. So students, you are all understand that what is the rational number. यदि कोई नंबर जिसको हम p/q के फॉर्म में लिख लें, तो वो नंबर एक जो है रेशनल नंबर कहलाता है। और यहाँ पर p और q क्या होने चाहिए? इंटीजर्स होने चाहिए, और साथ में ध्यान रखना होता है कि q 0 के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जैसे ही q 0 हो जाएगा, q मतलब डिनोमिनेटर में अगर 0 आता है तो उस रेशनल नंबर की वैल्यू नॉट डिफाइंड हो जाएगी। नॉट डिफाइंड का मतलब उसकी वैल्यू निकाली नहीं जा सकती, कांट बी कांट बी सॉल्व्ड, ओके। सो ये ध्यान रखना होगा आपको कि q 0 के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए। नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ, वी आर मूविंग ऑन नेक्स्ट concept, that types of rational numbers. So students, there are two types of rational number. There are two types of rational numbers. First one is positive rational number, and second one is negative rational numbers. Okay students, so what is positive rational number and what is negative rational number? Students, you are all know about how can we express any rational number. When a number can be written in the form of p/q. So student, if the sign of p and q, if the sign of, listen carefully, if the sign of p and q are equal, both sign of p and q are equal, then the rational number is called positive rational number. It means यदि p और q का जो साइन है, जो ऑपरेटर साइन के लिए यूज किया जाता है, अगर वो इक्वल है दोनों p एंड q में, तो वो रेशनल नंबर पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर होगा। फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे 4/5, 4/5। अब 4/5 में 4 के आगे क्या है? प्लस, बिकॉज एवरी नंबर which is written without sign, then it is treated as positive. So 4 is positive, 5 is positive. It means both the rational number are positive. Okay, but it means this rational number is positive. Okay students, so you have to check that if the sign of P and Q are equal, it means -3/-7. So students, in this example also the sign of both numerator and denominator are equal. Sign of numerator and denominator are equal because here minus, here minus, so it is also a positive rational number. Example of positive rational number. So student, this is the definition of positive rational number is you have to write when the sign of P and Q are equal, then it is called positive rational number. And in this negative rational number, when the sign of P and Q are not equal. Okay, so this is the very short concept for given to identify that any number is rational number or any rational number is a not rational number. If the sign of P and Q are equal, which I have given the just now, that if P and Q the same sign, then it is called positive rational number. And when the sign of P and Q are not equal, it means if you have to write -3/2 or you have to write 4/-5. So student, in this example, these are the example of negative rational number, because here the sign of 3 is minus and here the sign of 2 is plus, so it is called negative rational number. And it is also here also 4 is the sign of 4 is positive and the sign of 5 is negative, so it is also called negative rational number. So you may be you can write the example of positive rational number is 2/5 -3/-7, etc. And the example of negative rational number is 4/-3, 7/-7/5, etc. So students, there are the two types of rational number. First one is positive rational number and second one is negative rational number. So students, before moving our next concept, pause the video to note it down in your copy, because this is very important for concept of rational number, so you have to write in your copy also. Okay, so pause the video or take a screenshot. Now students, we are moving our next concept, that some facts about rational number. So students, after completing the concept of rational number and types of rational number, we are moving our very interesting topic, which name is some facts about rational number. So students, all these facts are very important, because this concept is also further used in future on solving problems of rational number. So watch carefully all the facts. First fact is 0 is a rational number because 0 can be written as 0.1, 0.2, etc. So student, this line is very important. because 0 is a rational number. So why can we say that 0 is a rational number? Because any rational number, if any rational number can be expressed as p upon q, where p and q are integers and q does not equal to 0, then the number is called rational number. So 0 also can be written as p upon q by this method. Okay, here 0 is an integer because 0 comes in collection of integers, and 1 is also an integer, and you have to say that 1 is a positive integer. So 0 can be written as p upon q, where p and q are integers and q does not equal to 0. It means numerator may be 0 but q does not equal to 0. न्यूमरेटर 0 हो सकता है लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. इस हिसाब से अभी इसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी, 0 ही तो आएगी. इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं कि 0 भी एक रेशनल नंबर होता है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स अबाउट रेशनल नंबर. नाउ वी आर मूविंग आवर नेक्स्ट फैक्ट्स दैट every natural number is rational number, but every rational number may not be natural number. So student, this is the another fact that every natural number is rational number. It means सभी रेशनल नंबर होते हैं, सभी रेशनल नंबर होते हैं, लेकिन सभी रेशनल नंबर नेचुरल नंबर हो ये कोई जरूरी नहीं है. ये हो भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द अनदर फैक्ट अबाउट रेशनल नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट 5 is a natural number. 5 is a natural number as well as rational number, because 5 can be written as 5/1. Okay, so this shows that this is the rational number, but -7 is a rational number, or you have to write 7/2 is a rational number. But it is not a natural number. Okay students, so this is the example for this fact that every natural number, it means every natural number means all counting numbers. For example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So every natural number is a rational number, but every rational number may not be a natural number. Okay, because 7/2 is not a rational number. So sorry, 7/2 is a rational number, but it is not a natural number because it is a rational number. And 5/1 is a rational number because 5 can be written as 5/1. So the value of 5 is, if we write the value of the 5 can be write 5/1, then the value of 5 is not changed. It is still the value of 5 is 5/1 is 5. So it is the example of this fact. Now students, we are moving our Next fact, that every integer is a rational number, but every rational number may or may not be every rational number may or may not be integer. Okay, so students, this is the another fact, that every rational number is every integer is a rational number, because this is obviously that every integer. Why every integer is a rational number? Because rational number can be expressed as p upon q, or p and q are integers. So every rational number, you have to say you can say that every integer is a rational number, but every rational number may or may not be an integer. It means कि सभी rational number इंटीजर हो भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है बच्चों, तो ये एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्ट है. दिस आफ्टर रेशनल नंबर, फॉर रेशनल नंबर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल that -7 is an integer as well as rational number, but -3 upon 7 is rational number, and -3 upon 7 is a rational number, but it is not an integer. Okay, so I hope you are all understand that from this example that every integer, it means integer, how can we retain integer? Recall the example of integer -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. So this is the collection of integer. So how can we say that every integer is a rational number? Because all these integers can be written as p upon q like this. Okay, so we can say that every integer is a रेशनल नंबर. सभी इंटीजर रेशनल नंबर होते हैं, लेकिन सभी रेशनल नंबर इंटीजर हो भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. देखिए यहाँ पर -3/7 लिखा है ना. अब ये रेशनल नंबर तो है लेकिन इंटीजर नहीं है, क्योंकि ये इंटीजर के कलेक्शन में नहीं आता है. लेकिन इसका क्या मतलब है? मे का मतलब, मे नॉट का तो समझ में आ गया कि नहीं हो सकते हैं, लेकिन मे का मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है कि हम लिख सकते हैं -4/1 लिख सकते हैं. तो -4/1 क्या है? -4/1 रेशनल नंबर तो है और साथ में ये इंटीजर भी है, क्योंकि -4/1 की वैल्यू -4 ही आएगी. ओके, सो -4/1 रेशनल नंबर भी है और इंटीजर भी है. तो इसीलिए कहा गया है कि सभी रेशनल नंबर इंटीजर हो भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. इधर देखिए, यहाँ पे हो सकता है कि ये रेशनल नंबर भी इंटीजर है, लेकिन ये जो एग्जाम्पल है ये रेशनल नंबर तो है लेकिन इंटीजर नहीं है. इसीलिए कहा गया है कि एवरी रेशनल नंबर मे और मे नॉट बी एन इंटीजर. इज दैट क्लियर? So students, you have to write all these interesting fact about rational number, because this is very important concept of related to rational number. So student, before moving our next concept, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. So now students, we are moving on another fact of rational number is every fraction is a rational number. Every fraction is a rational number, but every rational number may or may not be every rational number may or may not be a fraction. Okay, so now we are going to give the example of this fact. For example, every fraction means 3/5 is a fraction as well as rational number, but -4/7 is a rational number, but, and here you have to write and here you have to write but -4/7 is a rational number, but it is not a fraction. So students, this is the another example of this fact that हम कह सकते हैं कि सभी फ्रैक्शन चाहे जो आप फ्रैक्शन लिखें, क्योंकि आपको पता है फ्रैक्शन को कैसे लिखते हैं हम, a/b के फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है, जहाँ पर a और b क्या है, नेचुरल नंबर होते हैं, और ये सभी a/b नेचुरल नंबर होने के साथ साथ a और b को हम क्या कहते हैं, न्यूमरेटर, a को न्यूमरेटर रखा जाता है, b को डिनोमिनेटर रखा जाता है, ठीक है। तो सभी फ्रैक्शन रेशनल नंबर होते हैं, बट एवरी रेशनल नंबर में और मे नॉट बी अ फ्रैक्शन, मींस कि सभी रेशनल नंबर फ्रैक्शन हो भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी हो सकते हैं। जैसे देखिए 3/5 फ्रैक्शन है और साथ में रेशनल नंबर भी है, ठीक है, लेकिन -4/7 रेशनल नंबर तो है लेकिन वो फ्रैक्शन नहीं है, ठीक है बच्चों। तो ये दिस इज द अनदर फैक्ट ऑफ rational number. So student, I hope you are all understand to today what I have delivered, and student, please write all these concept, all this definition, all this important fact in your copy, because it is very important for solving the question which is related to rational number. So in next video I will explain another concept of rational number, and as well as I will solve the numeral problem which is based on the concept of rational number. So thank you very much for being with us, and I hope you are all understand. And student, one thing more, that you have to memorize also all the definition as well as all the important fact. Okay, so thank you very much.